config manager runs regular sync jobs to back up your tenant configurations. The output of each sync is compared to the output of the previous job to identify drift when those configs change. We can see this job detected 6 changes, 3 deleted configs, and 3 changed configs. In this case, we had a deleted Intune configuration profile, Intune compliance policy, and a conditional access policy. Additionally, we had a modified threat management policy that was disabled, malware filter policy that was disabled, and a conditional access policy that had excluded locations added. This sync history report is sent out to the internal admin team to alert them of this drift. Should these changes need to be reverted, those admins can log into the config manager solution and hit the Reconcile tab. The Reconcile workbench is where any tenant can be compared to any other tenant installed in the solution to align those tenants' configurations. To recover configurations, we're going to compare CoreView PSA to itself and compare the current state to a previous job that ran prior to those changes being detected. Next, we select the workloads we want to compare and click Apply. From here, we align our tenant's current state to that backup by first selecting the Available From column, which shows us the configurations that exist in our backup but no longer exist in our current state. Here we'll find the deleted conditional access policy, Intune compliance policy, and Intune configuration profile. And we'll select those for recovery. Next, we click on the Conflicting With column. This is where we'll find those configs that have been changed and no longer match our current state. Our modified conditional access policy, malware filter policy, and threat management policy. Selecting the View button shows us exactly what was changed between our backup and our current state. As we said, this conditional access policy had excluded locations added. We'll select those configs to be restored to their known good state and click the Reconcile button. This gives us a reconciliation preview of the changes we're proposing. When we hit Sync Now, we queue those changes to be pushed to our tenant and send a notification to our approvers configured in the solution to put a second set of eyes on those changes and either approve or reject them. When approvers receive email notice of pending approvals, they log into the Configuration Manager solution, select Pending Approval, review the changes to be made in production, and either approve or reject those changes. Following approval, that sync job pushes those changes to our production environment.